Chandani is a romantic musical drama film released on 14th September 1989 by Yash Raj Films.
मेरा नाम चांदनी है।
The film stars Sridevi in the title role of Chandani Mathur. The film's success reinforced Sridevi's position as the top female star of the era. Sridevi topped the Hindustan Times list of Yash Chopra's top 5 heroines. CNN-IBN ranked her first on its list of Yash Chopra's 10 most sensuous heroines, saying that Yash Chopra immortalized Sridevi as the perfect Chandani. NDTV aptly described Sridevi as the nation's sweetheart, a witness to her enduring charm. Rediff said the actress transformed into a mythical goddess in a white number. Sridevi's iconic Chandani look sparked a fashion revolution in North India, popularizing salwar kameez and chiffon saris among women. Costume design in the film was done by Leena Daru. Sridevi also lent her voice to the film's popular title track, which featured among the top 5 songs of Yash Chopra by Hindustan Times. Song ranks among Rediff's top 25 Bollywood wedding songs. Chandani marked the first collaboration between Yash Chopra and Sridevi, followed by another collaboration in Lamhe. Lead roles were played by Sridevi, Rishi Kapoor and Vinod Khanna, with Wahida Rahman and Anupam Kher in supporting roles. Rishi Kapoor's role was initially offered to Anil Kapoor, but he declined as he didn't want to play a character in a wheelchair. This was the first film where Sridevi and Vinod Khanna worked together. They had previously been slated to star together in Ramesh Sippy's multi-starrer Zameen, which unfortunately got shelved. Vinod Khanna was 17 years older than Sridevi. Initially, Yash Chopra offered the role of Chandani to the legendary actress Rekha. However, Rekha wisely declined, feeling the character would be better suited to a younger actress. Rekha herself recommended Sridevi for the iconic role. Madhuri Dixit, Meenakshi Seshadri and Shaheen turned down the role of Devika due to its limited scope. Juhi Chawla, a relatively new actress who was a huge fan of Sridevi, accepted the role. The idea of a paralyzed lead was suggested by Rishi Kapoor, who was inspired by the character played by Richard Dreyfuss in the Hollywood movie Whose Life Is It Anyway? Chandani was the first movie of Indian cinema whose soundtrack sold more than 10 million copies, first time in the history, thus becoming the best-selling album of 1989. Chandani was made during the action era and brought back the era of romantic musical in Bollywood. Yash Chopra won his first National Film Award for Chandani movie. Before Chandani, Yash Chopra had two major flops, Fasle and Vijay. Rishi Kapoor and Vinod Khanna reunite after Amar Akbar Anthony. The film had a theatrical release in Canada 1992 due to huge public demand. The original script of Chandani had a vastly different climax, but Yash Chopra reworked it into the iconic film we know today. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye.